What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today it's time for Clark's Training Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the proper grip. Let's go. Okay, today we're going to talk about the proper grip. We do a lot of classes, a lot of one-on-ones to see a lot of different grips that we have to correct. The most common grip we see is the thumbs behind the firearm like such. Or we see the cupping grip like this. Again, the cup that looks like this and the thumbs lined up behind the firearm like such. That is not the proper grip, but like I said, those are the most common grips we see in all of our classes and one-on-ones. So right now I'm going to break down how to get a proper grip on a firearm and why it's important. Okay, have my firearm here. What I like to say, make a gun to take a gun. So what we're going to do is make this L right here, place the firearm in this L. So it's looking like this. And right now, I like to get this thumb out of the way. Take this offhand right here. This fat part of the thumb. Want to put that on the firearm. Just slide it up till it fits comfortable into your hand. And that's a proper grip right there. I'll give you a top view. The thumbs. Here we go. And here we go with this side. This is the proper grip. You want to make sure this hand is as high up on the beaver tail as possible. For one, if it's down here, when you go to pull that trigger, that gun is going to fly back in your hand. So you want to make sure you're all the way up on the beaver tail, and when you go to pull that trigger, and you have that proper grip, once you pull the trigger for the first time, you won't be trying to find the target, etc., etc. That follow-up shot is going to be on target. Again, have the firearm as such. Take this meaty part of the hand. You want that touching the firearm, and just fit it in proper for your hands. And there we have a proper grip.